Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Absolutely zero idea what's in this box. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find my Patreon link right down in the description. And please, if you have not already, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. We need to turn the exposure up just a bit. There we go. Might need a little bit more. We'll find out here in a sec. Alright, let's see what we've got. It's not an ultra heavy package. So, what do we have? It's just very well packed. Avoid the peanuts. We do have a note. Somewhat camouflaged, considering it is pink and amidst... oh, we have his information here. Okay. Let me make sure and undo this just in case there's some other type of information here. No. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for sending that. And let's see what we've got in the bubble wrap here. Am I going to need to... I think I'm going to need to split this. There we go. And one more here. There we go. What do we have in here? Almost there. Oh, it's a pouch. One more layer of mystery, guys. One more. Oh. What is this? Is this the new auto from Benchmade? Yeah, it is. What is this called? Do we have information? Oh my gosh, I should know. I gotta actually turn the exposure up just a little bit more. I will link this guy right down below so we know exactly what it is, and it is likely also in the title. This is not a review, it's an unboxing. It's the first time that I've ever handled it, and often, as you just witnessed, I don't always know exactly what is coming in. But I believe this is a fairly new Benchmade automatic knife, and I gotta say, that's a pretty good looking knife. So here's what we've got. We have oh, not S30, no, S90V. S90V. I was about to go, we have the typical Benchmade S30V. No, S90V on this guy. And then we have some nicely textured and, I guess, yeah, contoured G10 scales. The firing power is pretty good. Yeah, it's quite snappy. We have a safety, which is, it's there. The safety, I'm one of those people who, doesn't need a safety, right? The button's recessed, so, I'm happy with that. This is kind of giving me almost auto bug out vibes. Almost. See the handle profile? Pretty similar to the bug out. I wish I had one here that I could show you guys, but I don't. Overall length is also probably pretty similar. Let me go ahead and get you guys a measurement real quick on that. Overall length, yeah, very similar. In fact, we're looking at 7.75 inches overall. So I think the bug out's like 7.5. Maybe the bailout is, maybe this is closer to the bailout. And then we have kind of, it's like a deep swedge version of the 940 blade. But the 940, I guess, does have a deep swedge in it. It's just a slightly different version of the 940 blade. Nice and thin, of course. How's the, oh, nice and solid. Oh, nice. Very solid. That's actually not what I expected for a Benchmade side opening auto. Oh, yeah, that's very solid. Very solid. I'm very, very happy with that. How's the centering? It's black, so I got to get it up close. Hey, that's pretty good. All right. That's actually really cool. I'm sure what people are about to find out is that there's a hefty price tag associated with this. This is a United States or US made knife. And it is a Benchmade, so you do get an excellent warranty with Benchmade, but as we've all come to expect, these can be, knives like this from Benchmade can be pretty pricey. In fact, knives across the board from Benchmade can be pretty pricey. But this is cool, and it's not heavy. Let me weigh it here real quick. Normally I don't do weight and stuff like this on just an unboxing, but yeah, 2.79 ounces. This is a pretty sweet auto right off the bat, and it's got the good pocket clip. Very, very cool. Ooh. This is cool, guys. Yeah, I'm liking this right off the bat. Very comfortable ergonomically. Very comfortable. Very nice. I fully expect it. Seriously, I fully expect it. S30V. I wonder if this is an upgraded variant or if this is just what it comes in. Yeah. Why do you guys put your website on the... Oh, gosh. Other than that, though, other than the website being on the blade with the patent information, this is pretty sweet. I will link this guy right down below so you guys can check it out. I'll also link Benchmade knives in general so you can check them out, see what else they've got going on. There's a bunch of new stuff for 2021 that should populate in that link. I might, if it doesn't, I might make a separate link. But yeah, very cool. Thank you so much to, hang on, looking at the box, Jamie, for sending this in. Very much appreciate that. You guys will get a full overview, well, a full review, comprehensive review, here in just a couple of weeks. Maybe 3 weeks, depending on, everything else that's in line. But yeah, I look forward to talking about this one in depth. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.